On Election Day, South Dakota voters made the final decision on 7 ballot questions. One of the highly debated initiatives was Referred Law 21, which would have put Senate Bill 201 into law with a Landowner Bill of Rights. That was voted down, however, 59 to 41%. The measure was widely criticized for transferring control from local authorities to the state. Proponents argued that it would have benefited South Dakota's economy, though. Parker Brown got some reaction from both sides in our top story tonight. Parker, good evening.
Good evening, Andrea. Landowners who opposed RL 21 and other pipeline projects in the state are viewing this as a, quote, huge blow to Summit Carbon Solutions and the carbon pipeline industry. They held a victory press conference today to celebrate, but both sides on this issue are looking at what comes next.
Opponents to Referred Law 21 took a victory lap in the aftermath of election night. The final numbers looked closer than it was. Of South Dakota's 66 counties, 65 voted against RL 21. They celebrated what they believe to be momentum towards property rights and local control.
This has been a grueling fight that we've been going on for 3.5 years, and I will say last night's results were particularly gratifying and humbling.
We have truly shown in a resounding 60 to 40 split that we are the loud majority on this issue. And the fact that only one county was won in the entire state shows the statewide nature of our unified voice.
Proponents are disappointed, but say they will get back to working on new ways forward. Summit Carbon Solutions, the company trying to build their carbon capture pipeline project in South Dakota, now plans on applying for a permit in the state later this month. In a statement, they said in part, "Our focus continues to be on working with landowners and ensuring the long-term viability of ethanol and agriculture in the state. We will continue to operate within the current framework, knowing that the future of ethanol and agriculture is vital to our shared success." Opponents to Referred Law 21 say they're prepared for the next steps as well. They're glad that companies will have to work with localities, and they turn their attention to what they call true reform in the legislature.
We really have had a grassroots movement across South Dakota with a lot of new conservative legislators, and I am hopeful and think that we will bring forth a lot of good legislation that will protect our private property rights and keep our freedoms intact where they should be.
We look forward to this next session where we will actually get to some of the root causes that this bill or that this project has raised in our state. We will not settle for false compromise bills like Referred Law 21 was.
Now, landowners are confident that if Summit Carbon Solutions follows through with their promise to submit another permit application, it will get the same result from the Public Utilities Commission, and county ordinances will be respected. Andrea?
All right, Parker, thank you.